The instructions for this were awful, to say the least. I'll start with a couple of tips that helped me. First of all, they said if your counters are within 34 inches, measure the little feet at the bottom and make them an inch or this or that. Don't listen to any of that. That was awful. Slide this thing in and then get you a gap that you want, whatever that gap is. I don't care what it is. Level them, crank them up or down until you get the gap about what you want it to be. So that's what I want it to be. Then I set my level on this, on the door, and then I leveled it left to right. So I adjust this one and I adjust this one, and I got it level that way. From there, then I put the level on the door here, up and down, and I looked at it to get the tilt this way. So, you know, the up or down of it. So first you get it in, get the gap about right, level it this way. And then you're gonna get the back ones. The back ones will tilt it in or out. So that's how you get it level. That's the fastest way. If I would have done it that way to begin with, it would have saved forever. I found too, the best way to do it was a little socket with 3/16 on it. And then you can just reach right in there and put it on the feet, the top of the foot right here, and crank it. And you can do that and that. And then the back ones, you got to pull it out and do it and then push it back in, but it's a lot easier. Other things that weren't that intuitive was, this is my water hose line. Yours might be different. Some are flexible, some are bigger, some are this, some are that. But the water inlet, it doesn't come with this thing, so you have to buy this. And then the water inlet goes here in the blue. That doesn't really say that in the instructions either. So that's how it gets water. The other thing was, I believe this is it here. This is where the water goes out. On the side of the unit, this straps up on the side and says, do not remove. So there's an extension piece you'll just add to this and then hook it to your garbage disposal. And then the other thing that was kind of not super obvious was the wiring. So your wiring, my wiring is that white piece. It comes in and there's a knockout on the back of this box. So you take out this bolt right here, and then this box comes out, and then you can feed the wire through, and you'll want to get there's like a screw-in plug thing that pinches the wire and keeps it from rubbing. You'll want to get one of those, and then bring your wires in, and then you wire nut them, and then put it into the ground and everything. The other last tip I would say, oh no, I got a couple actually. Get everything done except for the handle, and when everything's done, peel off the cellophane, because you couldn't even tell it was up here, and then put on the handle. Otherwise you're going to take the handle back off and have to do that again. The last trick, I don't know if I'll be able to show you really, is these things. They're the brackets. You can put them on the top or on the sides. I did the sides. What's odd is the brackets should be mirrored, and they're not. So you have to flip one upside down and it won't stay. So basically there's like some tabs on the back side of this that go into a slot, and on this side it stayed. On this side it just falls out because you had to flip it upside down. So just take the tabs on both sides, and once it's in there, bend them with like a pair of pliers, and then it will stay. And then this piece was out longer, but it has a breakaway tab, so I just broke that off and then screwed it in. I think that's all the main things that was super annoying on this. Really bad instructions. Other than that, I mean, the biggest savings of time would have been the way to level it. So, all right, hope that helps.